guys, welcome back to Val's Kitchen. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What is on the menu for today? I'm gonna be doing some nice salt mackerel rundown. Yes, some real coconut milk, so I know that go. Alright, so here are all my ingredients. I have my salt mackerel. I have my coconut I'm gonna be grating. These are all my lovely ingredients. Scallion and thyme, onion, tomato, garlic, and nice scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, black pepper. This is a must for me. Prevent the seeds. Yeah, I'm gonna start off my mackerel. Still gonna soak it from overnight. Most of the salt. Still have to cook the mackerel for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna cut up my coconut. It's already washed. Cut up. As I say already now, you can use your coconut powder. You can use coconut, the one in the tin coconut milk. Yeah, you can use it, but there's a difference. It's still nice enough, but the difference is you get the natural coconut, authentic flavor from the natural coconut. That is the only difference. But you can use the coconut, you know, but you have use that you have and you season something nice and enjoy, right? And everybody I will show all of this. I'm use coconut powder. That everybody going through the process of grating coconut, upsalt coconut, grate and them something, or blend. Yeah, blend coconut and stuff. You know? I'm gonna cook some cornmeal dumpling and I have a piece of yellow yam. Yeah, that for the side. So I'm gonna stir with me and watch how I'm gonna put this together. Mouth watering. Coconut. Scald off my mackerel or boil my mackerel. Right. Salt mackerel. Some more water. Tough, watch it. Mackerel skin up. Oh no! What a fun with the 5 minutes. I'll be not too late. Grate my coconut. Grate and blend. Yeah, blend. Nice rich coconut juice. Mackerel cook, so I'm gonna pick it up, wash out some of this, wash out some of the salt, 99% of the salt, wash it out. Alright, because we don't want it salty. Get out the bones. start boiling my coconut milk. Get my nice custard and this rich coconut milk. Look at this, so rich. Clean up this and come back. Oops. I'll use them on my bowl, actually. Look at this after on my head. Mackerel head. Yes. Clean them out. Now throw them away. Enjoy my bone and wash out the salt. Taste for salt, you know, guys. You have to taste and make sure it's not salty because you're not going to eat it. Yeah? And I can't eat that salt food. Wash everything already. Salmon and fish, any type of fish. It's gonna be nice to for this. Coconut milk is over there boiling. You have to boil it down to a certain consistency and then you can start to season. Put in season. Sweet pepper, guys, is not a must. You don't must put any sweet pepper, you understand? But just put in sweet pepper, nothing too much. I'm not gonna use all of it. Right. And garlic. Put in my start to cook everything now, like the season, put in all of this coconut milk. Let me show it. Let me go and show you what I'm doing. good. This one I'm going to put in my salt mackerel. Black pepper. Cook for another 5 minutes. So I want all the nice ingredients. All the ingredients come out in the mackerel. Yeah, so I'm gonna cover it back. Let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Turn off the stove. I'm going to turn off the stove. Right, so let's look at the consistency. Look at this. Look at this. That's one or 2 cornmeal dumpling on a piece of yam. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm so happy. My piece of yam, start to cook my yam and dumpling. Alright, so now what I'm gonna be doing, finish cook everything complete. So I'm gonna share a plate. Alright, put it on the stove. One for juice, some gonna be juicy. Yes, so I've come to the end of this video. Give me a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you won't miss out on all these lovely, tasty and juicy, mouth-watering recipes when we prepare them. Thanks again for watching. See you all in the next video and bye.